condensed glue gels. And then applies is really nice and is good thin coat. You don't want to need to do is like too thick on too thin. And then we are going to using no wipe top coat. I'm so excited. You can see that each nail we created is not take you so much long time, and then condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat will make it so much easy. You can adjusting your crystal however you like before you are going to set like completely clear. So I'm gonna do this beautiful shot right here. Is the it's kind of a dark neon is orange. I'm loving it. I had a couple frame. And then here is the neon, and I am using is size SS10. You are going to get like SS. You are going to get SS 16, SS 12, SS 10, SS 8. SS6, SS4, so 6 different sizes, and is so many colors in mix of 6 colors in 6 different sizes. You can add beads on. I like this big beads right there. Oh, it's so beautiful. I keep saying it as I want that one on. I really want that one. And then you can add some smaller beads on. And you can add the beads along with that. How's everyone doing so far? It's really fun and simple, right? I promise it's not going to be as difficult at all. I am having so much fun. So just keep in mind, if you feel like, I don't think it's going to give you a hard time at all. But keep in mind, you can definitely doing it really simple by start with a centerpiece. If you are seeing it, I did earlier, I did with the bright neon. I knew it's the kids on the website. Yes. I knew the kids is on the website already, and it's under is a new arrival. You're gonna see that is neon, and guess what? It's not only you get the kids with such great value. We'll also continue doing a lot of tutorials for these kids as well, along with other kids. And you also receiving your free crystal trifecta and also free mystery treasure bags. And what your order is $100 and more after the discounts, you are receiving another free surprise gifts from Glitz Accessories and such. So you are going to get a lot for a special weekend, and the flash sales is only last for until July 4 at 11:59. So grab it before they are like before she's sold out, because she's is really beautiful, and then you can never go wrong with this. I'm so obsessed with this. You know me, so every time I do the neon, I'm really excited because it's so vibrant. I don't know why, it's just me, I guess. But I'm having so much like fun to create it's like a designs for all of us. So I am doing, if you see that I doing the beads, I believe the beads is like really closer and tight together with along with the frames and the centerpiece. Happy with this. We are going to clear this for 60 seconds.